Bonafide Hustler here, coming to you live from the inside of my office. Just some updates I want to let you guys know about. I will be deleting this video more than likely tomorrow at some point, but I want to get you some updates, really some fun stuff coming around the corner, so listen up. I'm going to read off this little card right here because I don't want to miss a thing. Straight up Aerosmith style. But yeah, this is gonna be a really quick video and I'm gonna go through some really quick updates. So the first thing is this coming Wednesday, which is next week, I am going to be taking 4 lucky people in the spaceship on a hot shot. All right, so 4 lucky people in the spaceship on a hot shot, that's right. So how do you get into contention to being in the spaceship for a hot shot on a random Wednesday? Well, it's not really random, it's gonna be next Wednesday. Send a message to me on Bonafide Hustler Facebook and I'm gonna pick the 4 fastest ones that come through. And you have to be willing to meet at a coffee shop at 9 a.m. and around Central Austin somewhere. And we will go until about 1:30. We're gonna do a hot shot, I'm gonna film it, it's gonna be a lot of fun, very dynamic. We'll be thrifting and we'll probably close it out with some tacos or something like that. Either way, that's what's going down. I'm gonna take 4 lucky people in the spaceship this coming Wednesday. I think it would be the best way to capture some cool content and to share with you guys some real world, like actual thrifting. So that's the first thing. The second thing I want to update you guys with, and this is the reason why this video is going to be taken down tomorrow, is that tomorrow is the last day of my sale. That's right. I've never done it before, but my spring sale ends tomorrow at midnight. It's 20% off any one or all of my guides. Go check it out. The links are down below, and that discount is good until tomorrow at midnight. So that's number 2. Number 3 is the Green Room Meetup is going to be open to the public this year, except for one little micro event. But basically, that's June 26, 27, 28, and 29 here in Austin, Texas. So if you live close or if you've always wanted to be part of the Green Room Meetup, it is actually open to the public. It's going to be a lot of fun. The itinerary comes out next week. I've actually worked on it already. It's always a fun time. We do a bunch of random stuff. If you haven't seen the videos, go check them out on my channel. There's a bunch of random playlists of the Green Room Meetup from years past. But I can't wait. College Picker will be there. Rake and Profit will be there. It should be a lot of fun. Number 4 is for you guys. And I want to ask you guys, what content do you want to see more of on my channel? Let me look at my little slip. Because these are the things that really are kind of the primary things. Ride-alongs, hot shots, interviews, thrift battles, instructional videos, or even bolo videos. Like, let me know what you like the most about my channel. And I'll see if I can film more of that kind of stuff. So I'm just like an open questionnaire at this point. You can comment down below, like, what do you like the best about my channel? Like, what do you want to see more of? If there's a certain style of video that you like a lot, I want you to put it down below because I want to continue making good content that you guys are going to watch. So that's pretty much the update video. I know it's real short, but that's basically what's going down. Don't forget to comment down below on if you're one of these lucky people that's lucky enough to get into the hot shot seat next week. That should be a lot of fun. If you're not a lucky enough person, I'll write you back and I'll say, maybe next time, because I'm gonna try to do this maybe every other Wednesday, so you'll get your chance. Don't worry if you can't make it on the very first one. But yeah, get to it, let's go. I can't wait to do a hot shot with a bunch of people in the car. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'll see you guys on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy, goodbye.